Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I am so excited to tell you guys that I officially dyed my hair by myself at home and I have no color damage. So yeah, I'm just kidding. I didn't dye my hair. I'm just kidding. Probably would never dye my hair unless I'm literally comfortable with dyeing my hair, but I didn't dye it. I used the hair paint wax, and this has been going all over Instagram like crazy. If you haven't seen this product or either heard about the hair paint wax, do you have an Instagram? All the natural hair girls, basically everyone has been using this, and I'm literally like the last person to try this hair paint wax, but mostly everyone has been using the purple one or the pink one or the red one, the really crazy colors, and it's some people that use gold, but I haven't really seen a lot of people use the gold one. So I decided to use a natural type of color. Decided to get the gold one, and I do have the purple one, but the purple one is a gift for my friend for Christmas. In this video I will be trying this gold hair paint, and as you guys can tell, it did work with my hair really well. But if you guys want to see how I put it on my hair and how I applied it and some of my thoughts on this hair paint, then please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Now let's get into the video. I'm starting off with my hair being fully washed, you know, so I'm just gonna take this down. As you can see, I have like some brown spots that are highlighted. I need to go get some more highlights in my hair, but it's like some brown type colors all around my hair, so hopefully it will work well with this color. So right now I'm just going to continue with my normal wash day routine, these two products, and I'll put it in like a little time lapse, you know, just to go by this really fast. But first I'm just going to use this leave-in conditioner. If you guys haven't seen my wash day routine, my full day wash routine, it'll be up here so you guys can go see that. Now that I am done, I'm just going to use my styler. Okay, so I'm fully finished styling my hair, so yeah. I'm gonna do it wet because I know with my hair being dry, it's not gonna work at all. So first I'm starting by sectioning off my hair. But I'll mess with these curls, honey, because they're looking good. I'm first gonna open it up. I haven't opened it up, so I haven't tried it. This is my first time trying it and reviewing it, so kind of scared. But girl, I'm thinking I'm finna see the color. It got freaking aluminum foil. Ooh, it smells like bathroom cleaner to me. Got me some gloves because I do not want to stain my hands. This is what it looks like, and it's just a pretty golden color. And ooh, it's really thick though. Like, it's just so pretty. Yeah, I just split my hair into like a small section so I can work with the back. I'm gonna just take this section right here and kind of like start off from the end. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared. Here we go, guys. So here goes nothing. Okay, so starting from the bottom. I'm not really gonna worry about like the root of my hair down here because it's gonna be covered by my hair. Okay, looks a little greeny. Let's put more up there to see how it goes. Okay, it goes on pretty good, I guess. Hopefully my hair won't look like weird. I didn't get like a purple color because I do go to work and stuff, like, but I also wanted a different color that I haven't seen many people try, because I've seen most people try like a purple color and like blue and stuff, so I didn't want to get that one. But I will be purchasing another one if this actually turns out really good in my hair. So I'm mainly focusing on my ends and like the parts that you can kind of see already. I'm doing small amounts. I'm just going like piling more as needed because I really don't know how much of this you're supposed to use because it doesn't really say. I guess you just basically have fun with it, and that's basically what I'm doing. Starting off with the bottom, just to, you know, get it done at the bottom. And just bring it up to about here-ish. And I'm just coating it all over these curls. And just making sure I get them curls coated, honey, with this golden goodness and everything. It honestly looks good though. Okay, so for this side, since I'm basically at the top, I'm trying to get most of that top, like most of the root. So let me get part of that. But I'm trying to get most of the root just to make sure, you know, my hair looks pretty decent. So I'm taking down this back section again. The last section in the back, I'm taking that down. Got some of the root on the top a little bit. Onto the front. I'm kind of still deciding on how I want to do it. Honestly, I'm not, but since I have some golden parts showing on the top, I'm going to do the same thing for this because I really don't want my whole head to be golden, but I mean, that's basically what I'm going for now. Make sure I got all of these sections, and I'm taking a little bit more, just a little bit more, and I'm just doing it like this. I'm going to my ends, and I'm just making sure I really do have like most of my ends covered in gold. Okay, so far so good. It's looking pretty straight right now. This is my hair, and I'm going to do a full 360 for you guys. But this is what my hair looks like when it's wet. I'm pretty happy with the color, even though it's still wet, but I know hopefully when it dries it'll be better than what it is now. I'm gonna let my hair dry, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for my full result. So this is my hair for day 1, and this is just how my hair looks. And honestly, I'm literally in love with this color. Like, girl, like, it's just so pretty. Like, I love this color. I love it. I never tried new stuff on my hair. Like, I always stuck with the same thing. The first time I ever gotten like highlights or some type of dye, when I got highlights this summer, and honestly nobody could really tell that I had highlights unless I was in the sunlight. And like now some people are starting to notice, oh, you have highlights in your hair? When you get highlights? I'm like, I've been had them like months ago. But other than that, I never really tried something different with my hair. So I'm pretty happy with the results and how my hair looks. The only thing that I had a problem with was it left my hair like really hard and really crunchy when I was diffusing my hair. And like when I touch my hair, you see some like the golden stuff and stuff on my hands. Like it gets everywhere. It's kind of messy. But I mean, other than that, I really do love this product, and I will be trying it again because it worked really well with my hair. It blended in really well with my hair. I really had fun playing with this product, and it was just really cool to see how my hair looked a different color. And I will be trying more of these colors out because I just want to experiment with my hair a little bit and try something different, you know, stop being plain Jane. If you guys enjoyed this video, you want to know more about the hair paint wax, then I'll put their Instagram and their website down below so you guys can go check it out. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section below if you want to see more videos like this with me trying different colors, and let me know what color you want me to try next, and I'll do that for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have made it all the way to the end of this video and you're not subscribed already, then please be sure you are subscribed. And thank you guys for all the love and support you guys show me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Chubby drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well.